Hello and welcome to BMC Discovery. In this video, we are going to take a look on how to use the focus feature of the visualization and the Start Anywhere application modeling in Discovery. For this demo, let's log into the Discovery Appliance 24.1 version. Let's log in with System User. Click on Explore and Data. Click on Host, and we will select this host. In BMC Discovery, the visualization provides a flexible way of focusing on the precise view of your data that you need. Click on Visualize and Model and click on Display. Here you can see that the following focuses are provided with the ability to enable or disable the categories within that focus. Additionally, you can combine the focuses. For example, you can view infrastructure with software connected. You can also turn the individual types of data on and off. You can also choose to see only incoming or only outgoing impacts. So let's start with software connected. It focuses on software and the communication between items of software and shows some details of the host and the load balancers involved. If you select software local, then it focuses on software and communication between items of software local to the host. So in this demo, all these softwares are local to the host. Infrastructure focuses on the connectivity to the network and the storage components. It shows the switches a host connected to, underlying storage for the host file system, VM on the VM servers, or if a given host is a virtual machine, then the server on which it is hosted. For example, in this visualization, you can see the file systems. IP network focuses on the IP networking, which includes IP and the related subnets. All directly connected node shows all the node directly connected to the starting node. It also shows the provenance information. Here you can choose directly connected, which will show you all the nodes directly connected to the starting node. If you select the option provenance, it shows the provenance node and the maintaining patterns. Click on Apply, and you can see the data. Here you can also choose Out and the incoming connections. In Software Connected Focus, arrows in the visualization shows how nodes impact each other, with the arrow pointing to the impacted node. For more details about these focus, what do they mean and how to use them, please refer to our online documentation. That's all in this session for right now. Thank you for watching.